Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have admin access and the app ready. That matters because changes require elevated rights. First, open Start and type Control Panel, then navigate to Windows Defender Firewall to reach the central control. Once the firewall pane loads, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This immediately brings up the list of current exceptions, so you can see what's already permitted and prepare to add or modify entries in the next step. After selecting Allow an app, click Change Settings so the controls become editable. This is required before you can alter any checkboxes. If your application already appears, simply tick the private or public boxes depending on the networks you trust. If it does not show, press Allow another app, use Browse to select the program executable, then Add. Make sure to choose the correct network profile so the app communicates only where you intend. Then press OK to persist the rule. Once you click OK, launch the application and verify connectivity or functionality on the intended network. Testing confirms the rule works. If the app still appears blocked, try running it as administrator or rebooting Windows to ensure services reload the new rule. If problems persist, check controlled folder access or your third-party antivirus quarantine. These can block actions even when the firewall permits them. Adjust those settings or temporarily disable them to isolate the cause before re-enabling protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.